Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video let me show you how to use 3-finger split screen gesture on this device. So actually 3-finger gesture is responsible for making a screenshot. So let me demonstrate it to you. As you can see, I've made a screenshot. Instead, if you want to use a split screen, then you have to use your 2 fingers. So you want to first of all open any kind of application that you want to use for your split screen, and now we want to swipe down from the top center of your screen with your 2 fingers like this, and now select the second application for your split screen. Additionally, you can use this divider at the center on your screen to make the window split window smaller or bigger, and if you want to exit split screen mode, all you're gonna do is swipe up from the bottom of your screen like this. Even in your settings, if you go to settings, and now let's scroll down to accessibility and convenience section, and from here select split view, you will see here option swipe down with 2 fingers to split screen. So yeah, 3-finger gesture is responsible for making a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.